Hi everybody, I welcome you all to Rice Teachers YouTube channel. Thank you all for being with my channel. If you think my channel is useful, please subscribe it, like it and share it. From my previous lesson, I taught you how to turn a present continuous sentence into passive. Today, I am going to teach you a past continuous sentence into passive. When turning a sentence into passive, we have to keep the verb in past participle and the active voice sentence. The active voice sentence should have an object. If there is no object in the active voice sentence, we can't turn it into passive. I will show you with examples later. Then the first thing is the active voice sentence should have an object. The second one is the verb should be kept in past participle. And when turning present continuous and past continuous sentences into passive, we have to add being. And here also the subjective pronoun become objective pronoun at the end. Yes, we'll see. What is a past continuous sentence? That means subject plus verb plus ing. We'll see this one. Baby was crying. That is past continuous sentence. Baby was crying. Children were playing. Past continuous sentence. But if we take this baby was crying, see whether there is an object in that sentence. No. Baby means subject, was crying, verb. The verb is not followed by an object. So we can't turn such sentences into passive. That's why I told you when turning an active voice sentence into passive, there must have an object in the active voice sentence. Yes, now we'll see. He was making a kite. He was making a kite. Here, he is the subject. Was making verb. A kite is the object in that sentence. So when turning active voice sentence into passive, that object should be taken front. Then what is the object in this sentence? A kite. A kite was, I told you when turning past continuous, we have to add being. So being should be added. A kite was being made by him. He subjective pronoun becomes him. A kite was being made by him. Ravi was repairing a car. Ravi was repairing a car. A car was being repaired by Ravi. A car was being repaired by Ravi. Children were reading books. Children were reading books. Books were being read by children. Books were being read by children. Teacher was teaching a poem. Teacher was teaching a poem. A poem was being taught by teacher. A poem was being taught by teacher. Some men were cutting trees. Some men were cutting trees. Trees were being cut by some men. Cut. Past form also cut. Past participle also cut. So, trees were being cut by some men. John was painting the house. John was painting the house. The house was being painted by John. The house was being painted by John. Mom was stitching a frock. Mom was stitching a frock. A frock was being stitched by mom. A frock was being stitched by mom. She was making a fruit salad. She was making a fruit salad. A fruit salad was being made by her. A fruit salad was being made by her. Dad was driving the car. Dad was driving the car. The car was being driven by Dad. The car was being driven by Dad. Priya was washing clothes. Priya was washing clothes. Clothes were being washed by Priya. Clothes were being washed by Priya. You were drawing a picture. You were drawing a picture. A picture was being drawn by you. A picture was being drawn by you. Draw, drew, drawn. Draw, past form drew, past participle drawn. I was buying vegetables. I was buying vegetables. Vegetables were being bought by me. Vegetables were being bought by me. Yes, now you try this one. The boy was playing the piano. The boy was playing the piano. Can you turn it into passive? The boy was playing the piano. The piano was being played by the boy. The piano was being played by the boy. The children were killing ants. The children were killing ants. Ants were being killed by the children. Ants were being killed by the children. They were picking flowers. They were picking flowers. Flowers were being picked by them. Flowers were being picked by them. She was washing dishes. She was washing dishes. Dishes were being washed by her. Dishes were being washed by her. Father was cleaning the car. Father was cleaning the car. The car was being cleaned by father. The car was being cleaned by father. Ruvini was writing a poem. Ruvini was writing a poem. A poem was being written by Ruvini. A poem was being written by Ruvini. Now I think you might have understood how past continuous sentences are turned into passive. Yes. From my next lesson, I am going to teach you simple past. How to turn simple past sentences into passive. Yes. Let's meet from that lesson.